Welcome to Iceland and Lake Mývatn. Here today we're talking about hydrocraters. And you can easily see that this is a volcanic field. Out here over on the left we can see a small little circular area which was a crater, and this was from a steam explosion underneath the ground that pops the material out over. You can see throughout this whole area there's actually craters all around. Over here on top of this little hill we can see another circular depression, and that's a crater up there. Steam explosion craters come from underneath the ground. When the water's heated, liquid turns to steam. 1 gallon goes to 1,700 gallons. So this is an expansion and creates an explosion underneath the ground. Steam explosion craters are the most abundant craters in the entire universe. Instead of the moon's craters being impact craters, they're steam explosion craters or hydrocraters. So these are really critical in helping us understand how the Earth was formed. We look right over here and we can actually see right here in front of us is a big hydrocrater. This is a steam explosion crater, and without the understanding of these craters we can't understand how the Earth and the Moon and Mars and Mercury, all the planets, how they formed, because these craters are all over the planets on their surface, and that's because the planet literally was covered with water. Now this also helps us understand why planets are spheres out in space. The geologists know that we have to have a liquid to form a sphere. The gravity all pulls to the center, and this is why water, the only abundant substance in the universe that's a liquid, turns into a sphere. So this is very, very important to help us understand how the world was made, that we live on, and all the other planets and even the stars. The sun has water on it. Every planet, every moon in our solar system has been documented by NASA. We have quotes in universalmodel.com. You can go there and read all about this and learn how there is water everywhere. It's ubiquitous, meaning that it's everywhere. And this is very, very important. All living things actually have water in them. We came out of our mother's stomach, out of water. All plants and animals have water, and all minerals that are natural formed out of water. This is because water is a crystallization medium that all things can form from. Without matter being organized and turning into a crystal, then it can't form. So water is a fundamental unit. It's actually the primordial matter of the entire universe, and this is critical and beautiful as we look over Iceland here and have a chance to see water and the landscape, and we're grateful to have this opportunity to see how the world could really be made.
Yay!